KL Rahul will be the orange cap. ऐसा क्या हो गया यार? Everybody has this common opinion कि KL Rahul will be the orange cap holder this season. So where does Karun Nair play, bhai? All the Punjabis are supporting Dhoni and other teams. कोई भी हो जाए, कोई भी हो, they're supporting other team. अपनी team support ही नहीं कर रहे होते. Hi guys, I'm Ashwin.
Hi guys, I'm Yusuf.
And we are cracking the IPL for you this season, having great conversations about cricket and, like I said, the IPL over the weekend once again for you. So really excited to bring you this video as well. And Yusuf, I think the bias continues with the North because वैसे तो जब हम ये शूट कर रहे हैं आज Saturday है और आज पहला सीजन ओपनर गेम है. And all the videos that I'm seeing and all the experts, all they're talking about is obviously are the curtain raiser apparently, which is MI and CSK. But because the El Clasico, मतलब उसमें भी original नहीं हो पाए हैं. मतलब वो भी चेप रहे हैं. मतलब उसमें तो original थोड़े तो original हो जाओ यार लाइफ में. El Clasico apparently है आज. लेकिन हम उसके बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे because by the time this video comes out, it'll already be done, so कोई फायदा नहीं है वो डिस्कस करने का. And also यार we are known for unpopular opinions, so why should we talk about things which is already very popular? MICS के हर कोई बात कर रहा है तो नहीं हम इतनी पॉपुलर चीजों के बारे में नहीं बात करेंगे, हम अनपॉपुलर चीजों के बारे में बात करेंगे, which is the North, which is always ignored by the IPL. So our bias for the North continues, and that's why today's discussion will be on Kings 11 Punjab, जो हमारी तरह दिल्ली की तरह बहुत ही सालों से स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. आईपीएल खेल ही स्टार स्पोर्ट्स के अकॉर्डिंग वो नहीं खेल रहे. तुम्हें कभी नजर ही नहीं आएंगे वो खेल
आते हैं जिस मैच में धोनी ने छक्के मार के.
हाँ उसमें आता है.
बात कर रहे हैं अक्षर पर लेके 4 छक्के. वही तो याद है सिर्फ स्टार स्पोर्ट्स. पॉल वलगाटी फर्स्ट 100 किंग्स 11 पंजाब. देखी तुमने आज तक वीडियो? पता नहीं आज
आज तक वो वीडियो ही नहीं है. Doesn't exist in Star Sports' database. But yeah, so because Punjab is always ignored, so we decided to talk about them, and also because the North Indian Derby, ये भी उठाया हुआ North Indian Derby will be today as in the date when the video comes out. So makes more sense, I think, to talk about that. And hence our first question today is, can KL Rahul turn around this franchise's fortune? So Yusuf, your opening comments on that. Can KL Rahul turn around the fortunes? Because मैं जिससे बात कर रहा हूँ around me who are into IPL and everything, all are saying भाई KL Rahul will be the orange cap holder. KL Rahul will be the orange cap. ऐसा क्या हो गया यार? Everybody has this common opinion कि KL Rahul will be the orange cap holder this season. तो कुछ तो है. Like people are feeling something. So what do you have to say about that?
यार KL Rahul, if we said in the last segment we said that Rishabh Pant is synonymous with expectations. KL Rahul has somewhat become synonymous with dependability.
That's a good point. That's a really good point.
Yeah. You need a keeper, KL Rahul steps up. You need an opener, KL Rahul steps up. You need a finisher, KL Rahul steps up.
Yeah, finisher finally उसी ने resolve करा. हम लोग we had been struggling for so long since Kohli took over to find a replacement down the order, and we just struggled with that for a long time. That's why I think we lost the World Cup also primarily because we couldn't find our lower order stability. But now KL Rahul has stepped in, and suddenly team is looking good. Like number 5 पे KL Rahul. Although different role with Punjab, he will remain an opener, and now the captaincy, and now Anil Kumble at the helm of things. So what I find interesting with Kumble is that he can bring about that change that Ponting brought with Delhi.
Correct.
How Ponting and the new owners really turned around the franchise for Delhi last season. I think this could be the case with Anil Kumble, because I think he's quite a capable coach and manager.
Have been statements about him that he's his style of management, but I think the leadership style of KL Rahul should gel along well with him.
And Karnataka connection also. There's and a lot of Karnataka players also like.
That connect comes in, and also with Ashwin going out of Punjab, Kumble coming in as a manager will be a good influence on the spinners for Punjab, and UAE spinners come into play.
Yeah.
Right.
I was actually really shocked by the way that they let go of Ashwin, and I'm fortunate I came to Delhi. Good for us. I was really cheers to that. But I was really shocked that the management let go of Ashwin. However, I think there were some issues happening. I think which chal raha tha management. I've been reading a lot कि कुछ Ashwin और management में चल रहा है. But anyway, that's now gone. Bygones be bygones. Now, how's the side looking like for you? What do you have to say about the side?
Side, I wouldn't say it's a settled squad
Hmm.
because naturally when you let go of a player like Ashwin, right,
Hmm.
which I feel Rajasthan will also somewhere feel
Suffer,
when letting go of Rehane.
Yeah.
Because some players become synonymous with the team. That's one. Two, the question of Gale will come at some stage for them.
Yeah, man.
Right?
Yeah.
And that's one more thing. And also with Shami, they have a good fast bowler. They
Yeah.
have spinners also. I'd say that they are. I mean, I wouldn't rate them as the best squad with the best spinners. But again, let's see what Anil Kumble can do with the spinners.
Yeah, and talking about the spinners of Punjab, I think they have a very exciting talent with Mujibur Rahman in their playing 11 because Mujib actually had a very, very successful CPL, one of the highest wicket takers, if not the highest, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, but Mujib is a great talent in the 11. So yeah, the squad could be led by a great spinner in that department. However, very interesting point about Gale. Because Gale, yeah, I mean, yes, an icon in IPL, last year gave good starts to Punjab in the first few games, but then lost steam. This year could be even more complicated because, and that's why personally I was very surprised when in the auction they didn't go for a opener to replace Gale. Very surprised in my opinion because Gale is aging and we can't deny that. Right? He's probably in the last leg of his career. Second, no match practice, no CPL, nothing, no international cricket, and the pandemic didn't help. I do not know how he's going to be performing. Yes, I mean he can still take on the third or the fourth bowler really well, but the first, because he's an opener, he has to take on the best two bowlers. Imagine if he's facing Bombay and Trent Bolt and Bumrah are coming in. I don't know how Gale is going to perform in that case. So yeah, we'll wait and see. And Yusuf, you had a very interesting point when we were discussing the team earlier that Punjab might just do better with Gale sitting out. Might just, unpopular opinion again, but I think they might just do better. The team might find their balance again. Reason being, because Punjab, they might be in a fix to find their 4 overseas players. Ho sakta hai there might be some confusion that who are the 4 overseas players. So what do you have to say about that?
Yeah, and I know that, like you said, it's an unpopular opinion, but I don't, like, you know, sometimes things have to change with time, right? Take it, today Gale was a great batsman and no questions, and I'm sure there's no questions on his greatness. The thing is today
Universe boss.
Universe boss. But you have Nicholas Pooran, right?
Oh man, exciting talent. Yeah.
So I would play Pooran. I think where the
Pooran
dilemma...
तो आने ही आना है, like
हाँ.
उसमें कोई there's no, वो तो है ही है. Either permanent in the.
Then you have Glenn Maxwell.
Oh yeah. Very complicated subject. We'll come to that.
We'll come to that.
हाँ.
तो अब आपके पास जो जहाँ फंस रहे हैं यहाँ पे मुजीबुर रहमान plays 3.
Plays 100. तो 3 तो ही हो
तो
गए.
3 हो
You
गए.
can't change that.
अब मेरे लिए प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आती है, वो गेल का तो क्वेश्चन उठा ही नहीं रहा मैं. It will be between Sheldon Cottrell and Jimmy Neesham.
Okay. I have a different take on this, but हाँ.
Yeah, so I feel with Neesham, see, he can bat, and considering that the games are going to be played in UAE, where the pitches are going to get slower towards the end of the tournament, right? When that starts happening, Sheldon Cottrell was, for all the hype around him, I still feel on a bad day he'll give a lot of runs, and then his
I agree.
batting will not
No,
come in.
I agree. Very interesting points. For all the hype, I think Sheldon Cottrell is not that great also, and especially the kind of money they spent on him. I think they got desperate in the auction. If you actually saw the auction, you will realize they got desperate because all the fast bowlers, how वो हाथ से निकल गए. Pat Cummins, I think they were gunning for, वो हाथ से निकल गया, and they didn't really have much talent pool left by the time they had to pick their fast bowler क्योंकि they needed one alongside Shami. However, they bought a very interesting pacer at a base price of just I think 20 lakhs, which nobody is talking about and has gone under the radar, which is Ishan Purell. Ishan Purell is a very exciting Indian talent, by the way, and I don't see any problem with Punjab actually benching Sheldon Cottrell, who they shelled out so much money for, but actually playing Ishan Purell alongside Shami, who has just come in at a base price of I think 20 lakhs. Because he's a really good talent to watch out for. I'm definitely gunning for Ishan. I hope he finds a spot in the 11. I don't know what the management feels about him, but I hope he finds a spot in the 11. And I think Shami and Purell could become a great duo. But talking about who the 4th player will be, you are right. If they bench Gale. Again, big decision. And they can, because they have Mayank Agarwal, who's actually an opener for India. So if KL Rahul and Mayank open, तो ठीक है यार. I mean, I think you can bench Gale, considering if he's not really playing that well in the nets. I don't know how he's playing in the nets. Fourth player, Jimmy Neesham. Again, a very interesting talent. I really like Neesham. But he's an unproven match winner. Whenever I've seen Neesham in tough situations, crunch match situations, he's never taken the team over the finish line. He has taken wickets every now and then. I've seen him comes in with the bat, looks really strong, looks really in the zone. He'll tong 2-3 out of the park. मतलब with such flair, तुम्हें लगेगा भाई आज तो ये खत्म कर देगा game. But somehow it never finishes in the right way. So Neesham, unproven match winner, unproven in the IPL. I don't know how it will pan out. I don't even know whether he'll actually end up getting a spot in the 11. If Maxwell, very interesting subject, because Maxwell, यार अभी सीरीज खत्म हुई है ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंग्लैंड की, एंड उसने थोड़ा तो प्रूव कर दिया है कि वो वापस आ रहा है फॉर्म में.
सर आपको गलत प्रूफ किया है.
क्या मतलब?
याद है आपको फर्स्ट मैच में when he was batting and I told you, you said he's not connecting.
हाँ. He was looking lost in the first match.
But for a guy like Maxwell, he needs runs under his belt. He's got that.
Now he's got confidence.
He's going to be a beast coming in.
हाँ. Now with the momentum. So this I give that Maxwell is coming in with a lot of momentum because he scored a fair amount of runs in the series with England. So I think he's now much more confident than what he was earlier. And who knows, it could be a repeat of the past, how he did really well in UAE for Punjab, earlier. So history could repeat itself. Let's see what Maxwell does. I have great expectations, especially what I really like about Maxwell is he's becoming a better bowler, यार. He's actually taking, he's becoming a reliable. इतनी अच्छी मुझे लगती नहीं है उसकी bowling. मतलब जब मैं उसको देखता हूँ बॉल डालते हुए लगता है यार बड़ी normal सी ऑफ स्पिन डाल रहा है. But he's actually turning out to be a very reliable bowler, and he's putting in his 4 overs quite economically, and he ends up taking 1 odd wicket. So as a spinning all-rounder, very important person now in the team, and especially coming with the confidence of so many runs under his belt. Looking forward to seeing Maxwell. Only like you said, and Pooran तो कहीं जाने नहीं वाला. Pooran is in fact so confident right now. He gave some interview that I will score the fastest 50 in the IPL and all that, which he can do actually. He might have not had such a successful year with Punjab last year, but now he's much more experienced. I feel experience of international cricket really changes a player in the IPL. A lot of expectations from Pooran. I have a lot of expectations. A lot of expectations from Maxwell as well. Neesham, not sure if he can find a spot in the playing 11. Cottrell, again, not too sure how great it will be, how great he'll be. Let's see. But Mujibur Rahman stays. So yeah, fourth overseas player, quite a struggle, I think. Let's see what Punjab does, what Kumble decides, what KL decide based on how the matches pan out.
I think Punjab will be a very good side to look out for. And Punjab has had a history. And when you spoke about Ishan Porel, I wanted to interject, but the thing was, I wanted to structure it well because Punjab has been known to experiment with young players. I don't know if Kumble coming into the helm that remains, but if they do promote Ishan Porel, that will, I think, make a stronger case for Jimmy Neesham to play. With Maxwell and Pooran, Ross, I had a question for you. Just imagine with the bowling lineup of Chennai, right? Or with the bowling lineup of RCB. If Pooran and Maxwell get together, and
so dangerous lower order. मतलब actually the combination can be so dangerous lower down the order for Punjab. It can be destructive if they click. If they click. Because दोनों ऐसे हैं यार, कभी ना, because मैंने पूरन के साथ भी देखा, मैंने मैक्सवेल के साथ भी देखा है, they get a bit over ambitious. I've seen that with both these players. They get too excited. CPL में मैंने देखा था पूरन के साथ, getting too pumped कि हाँ यार we can take on any attack, we can take on any bowler. पहली बॉल पे आते ही reverse sweeps चल रहे हैं, पहली बॉल पे आते, and then they'll throw away their wicket. They have this habit of throwing away their wicket. If they can somehow manage that, not throw away their wickets, lower order looks really destructive for Punjab. Another very exciting Indian talent, local talent, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ IPL के बारे में, best teams are those which have the best local talent. You can get all the Maxwells of the world and Gales of the world. You can never win championships. To be a champion side, learn from CSK, learn from MI, who've been champions regularly in the past. Always bank on great local talent, and that's why with Rahul now at the helm things could turn around. But another local talent that I want to bring focus on is Ravi Bishnoi. So Ravi Bishnoi is another spinner that was picked up by Punjab. Not a lot of people are talking about him. Amazing talent. He turned around things for India at the Under-19 World Cup. He is quite difficult to pick, and I think he will definitely make it to the 11. That's my gut feel. And he could change the game for Punjab. मुझे लगता है ऐसा. Ravi Bishnoi is a great player to watch out for, by the way. Not just for Punjab, but for India also. मैं तो उस लेवल पे जा रहा हूँ कि I think he is India के लिए मुझे लगता है कि Bishnoi could make it to the 11.
मेरे दिमाग में ना मैं constantly मुरुगन अश्विन पे फोकस करके बैठा था.
हाँ, he's also there on the side.
Then you brought this point up, तो मेरे को याद आया, मैंने कहा हाँ यार, रवि बिश्नोई भी तो है.
हाँ, रवि बिश्नोई भाई लोग बात ही नहीं करते उसके बारे में.
बड़ी सॉलिड स्टेटमेंट आ रही स्टार्टिंग में. नहीं स्पिनर्स तो है नहीं. मुजीबुर रहमान आ गया, रवि बिश्नोई आ गया.
And K. Gautam is also there, by the way. So K. Gautam has this very interesting ability about him. I don't think he's a great bowler, but he has great confidence.
Oh.
So K. Gautam, I bank on sometimes just because of his energy. You know, that guy has some energy. He's got some confidence. He might not be the best bowler in the 11, but kuch hai. There is something about him that he comes to bowl and he believes that he can take on any player, and he ends up taking wickets. And even when he comes to bat, he can talk the ball. I don't like his batting that much. I feel ठीक है थोड़े आड़े टेढ़े मार देता है वो. मगर you never know. If it's his day, it's his day. So K. Gautam can also talk the ball. अगर उसका दिन है तो चल सकता है वो. So K. Gautam, Bishnoi, Mujibur Rahman, dude, you're looking at a good spin attack. You're looking at a good.
Take back my words. बताओ यार 15 मिनट में वापस आना पड़ेगा अपनी बात पे. यार it's quite a balanced squad, now that we start discussing, and I never realized this when we were thinking about it.
Lot ये है effect of social media and star sports कि हमें पता ही नहीं चलता कि पंजाब जैसे टीम्स के पास भी players हैं, थोड़े ढंग के players हैं भाई. एक और player के बारे में आपको बताता हूँ फिर. So Sarfaraz Khan is another player that Punjab has who's now looking good. He's such a story for the IPL. Yeah, he's such a story because he was with RCB for so long, was chucked out, has had fitness issues. ये वो, and कोहली के साथ रहोगे तो यार किसी को fitness issues हो सकते हैं लाइफ में. If you start having a captain like Kohli, तो किसी को भी लाइफ में fitness issues आ सकते हैं. But he's really turned it around. I think Sarfaraz worked really hard on himself. I think he's worked on his game, he's worked on his fitness. Looking good, had a very successful Ranji season last year, very successful. Hope he comes through. I hope he comes through for Punjab. So Sarfaraz is also there, good talent to watch out for. But another very important question: where does Karun Nair play, bhai? Where does Karun Nair play? Can he find a spot in this 11? I mean, he will. He will definitely play in the middle order. But यार, I don't know क्या scene है यार Karun Nair का. Like, what is the scene now?
यार, sometimes वो कहते हैं ना कि when you're born in the time of giants. So even if you're not as big as the biggest giant, you're still a giant, but you will never be mentioned.
Yeah.
मतलब बंदे ने 300 मार दिया टेस्ट स्क्वाड से बाहर
हो गया.
मैच विनर दिल्ली के लिए 2-3 मैचेस भी जिताए थे.
हाँ बाहर हो गया.
दिल्ली had to discontinue. Although ये हमारी थ्योरी है कि जिसको दिल्ली ने छोड़ा है वो सुपरस्टार बना है. वो नहीं बना है. तो रसल, मैक्सवेल, सारे डेविड वार्नर, डेविड डिविलियर्स. List is too long. कैप्टन छोड़ा केकेआर को 3 सीजन जिता. 2 सीजन. Sorry, my bad. 2 सीजन. तो Karun Nair will definitely be in the scheme of things, but I see his role as a floater. I don't think that they will solidify his position. And very interestingly, यार इसीलिए पता है this conversation's over, and that's why I was really excited when you decided on this idea first day. You said कि हम बैठ के कॉफी पी के बात करेंगे. This is exactly how the conversations go around IPL. Yeah. I wish Star Plus would have done it, तो हमको नहीं बैठना पड़ता.
इतना टारगेट नहीं करना भाई. इतना टारगेट नहीं करना है. हो गया बस हो गया. इतना टारगेट नहीं करना.
Very frankly, very good strong point about Sarfaraz and Karun. Now Sarfaraz and Karun come into play with that spin attack. Before I started, I said Punjab का होना क्या है? Forget about the dark horses. Now I see them suddenly in the top 4.
टॉप 4 तो नहीं, मतलब मुझे ज्यादा लग रहा है एक्सपेक्ट नहीं. But you never know though, because अभी जैसे KL Rahul के बारे में everybody is saying that orange cap winner. Do you think KL Rahul will be the orange cap holder? Do you think?
I'm pretty confident about it.
You are also confident, so just like everybody else, you are also very confident. I also feel he could be the impact player and he could turn things around. This could be Punjab's year. And to answer the question that we started the video with, KL could turn around things for Punjab. It looks like a good side. They have some good local talent with the likes of Shami and, like I mentioned, Bishnoi, Mayank Agarwal. Hope he delivers this time. Last year थोड़ा inconsistent हो गया था, but Mayank is also looking more confident, more international experience. That might just help him propel further this season. So some good local talent there, good coach, new management. Kumble, could be the year. Rahul and Kumble turn around fortunes for Punjab. Expecting a lot from this North Indian derby today. So yeah, I think we'll close on that, Yusuf. But sorry if we missed out on some players. I think
Yeah.
any closing thoughts?
दिल से दिल्ली और दिमाग से अभी भी नहीं पता. काफी अच्छा गेम होगा.
So me and Yusuf will continue bringing you more match analysis, team analysis, and discuss cricket and the IPL over a cup of coffee, and hopefully bring more unpopular opinions. मैं सिर्फ इस पे क्लोज करूंगा यार. गेट द धूम पंजाबी टाइटल ट्रैक बैक यार. बहुत अच्छा टाइटल ट्रैक था यार. पंजाब व्हाई यू चेंज द टाइटल ट्रैक ऑफ धूम पंजाबी वाज सो गुड यार. इट वाज लाइक रियली एक्साइटिंग. पता नहीं क्यों चेंज कर दिया यार उन्होंने म्यूजिक, बट चलो कोई नहीं, देखते हैं. आई होप दे डिलीवर ऑन द क्रिकेट फील्ड दो, इफ नॉट ऑन द म्यूजिक, नॉट इन द म्यूजिक डिपार्टमेंट. Stay tuned in for more videos and more discussion on the IPL over coffee. Cheers.
Cheers guys. भाई आज तो मजा आ गया. तो पता नहीं